Hi crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Flatten tool, also known as printing cut. So let's open up here, let's get started. Now what is the Flatten tool? What does printing cut do? Well, it turns any image into a printable image, merging all selected layers into a single layer to use for printing cut. Now there are two ways that you can do this. So the first that I'm going to show you is I'm going to take a shape here. So here I have a square. Again, I'm just going to change the color so that we can see the cut lines better. All right, so here is my square. I'm going to upload from one of my images one of the sayings that I have here. So I found a quote, a saying on Pinterest, and I really liked it, but I didn't like the font. So I recreated it into Procreate, and then I just created a PNG and uploaded it into Cricut. All right, so I'm going to put this nice and even. All right, so I have my font here, I have my square here, but I want to make this into a printing cut because say I want to make it for like a sticker. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both images and I'm going to go under actions, and here you have the option to flatten. So I'm going to flatten, and now there's no more cut lines. The cut lines are gone. And if I were to go to make it, you could see on my mat that it is now ready to print. So it will have the guidelines here in thick black, and then it will just cut out the blue. It will not cut out the font. Now, if I were to go back to my canvas, so that is one way. There's also another way you can do it, and that is by finding an image that you have found online, or for instance, I have an image that I'm going to upload that I got from the Rhonna app. So here I have the image, and so you're still going to need to do the cleanup. And so you just need to remove the background, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. If you want, you can zoom in and make sure you remove the background from the small spaces, but you'll need to be careful because if some of the pieces are too small, they may disappear. So I'm actually going to undo that because I don't mind that being there. All right, so here is the image. Now, like I said, you can go through some of these flourishes to remove them, but I'm just going to keep it as a whole. And now I'm going to go next and next once more. And I'm actually going to select the cut, the print then cut option, and I'm just going to give it a name. Floral 9, and save. So now it's going to save as a printing cut, and then once it's loaded, I'm just going to select it, I'm going to insert it onto my canvas, and now I have the image that I want to print and cut. Now you need to be aware that when you do flatten or find an image to do print and cut, you could only have a maximum size height of 9. And because my picture, well, my image is locked, it will automatically set the width, but the maximum size for width would be 6.75. So again, height maximum is 9, and then width maximum is 6.75. And so if we take a look here at this image, I have it set to 9 and it automatically set to 5.17. And if I hit that make it button, you will notice that it has the printing guidelines and it is ready to be printed and then cut. Well, I hope this video was clear and helpful. If you have any questions, please comment. I'd be happy to answer. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified for my future videos. Until next time.